Hey there, what do you say, folks? It's Adam Lerner here, and I'm coming to you today to go over Bitcoin 2x2, my main program, and I want to share with you how wonderful I think this program is and what a blessing it's been to me and to a lot of my friends and acquaintances out there and business associates, and also a lot of new people that I've been meeting lately. So pretty cool stuff. Anyway, a little bit about me real quick. If you guys don't know who I am or what I'm about, my name's Adam Lerner. For the past 25 years, I've owned a company called Webscape Worldwide, a MLM software company. MLM software, affiliate software, replicating websites, marketing software, the whole 9 yards. Well, we've been in business since 97 and temporarily shut down since about 2019. And a couple months ago, I decided to try to become part of the solution here and roll up my sleeves and try to help as many people as I can out there that need help making money from home. And I'm getting back to recruiting, and I'm gonna help anybody that wants to work with me. I will work with you personally, and we'll build your downline until you're receiving a solid monthly check that you can live on. I didn't put a number on it, but and something reasonable that you can live on. So even whether it be $1,500 a month, $2,000 a month, whatever, within reason. So anyway, this business, Bitcoin 2x2, it's great. Personally know these guys, great guys, and I'm basically under the founder, so that's where you want to be in these opportunities. And any opportunity I bring to you guys, one thing for sure, know I'll always be at the top, and know I'll always work with you until you're making steady, solid money. And that's my promise to you. So, let me give you the details here. Bitcoin 2x2. What I love about Bitcoin 2x2 is the pay plan. And how it works is a 2x2 recycling matrix is what the comp plan is. 2x2 recycler. And basically you can come in with 1 to 3 positions. And if you come in with 1, you have to sponsor 6 people. And if you come in with 3, then you just have to sponsor 1, 2, 3, 4 people to complete your first matrix. That is. So, what I love, and by the way, every time you complete your matrix, you will receive $250, and you can cycle over and over and over. You can cycle multiple times a week, multiple times a day, if you're really recruiting. So, I mean, the potential's here. If you get out of a program like this what you put into it. Plain and simple. So, $250 every time you cycle, free re-entry back into, you follow your sponsor back into the matrix, and here's the best part. After you have complete 2x2 cycles, you get a 50% matching bonus when anyone in your 2x2 matrix completes their own cycle. Then, when you have completed 5 2x2 cycles, you get a 100% matching bonus, $250 anytime anybody in your 2x2 matrix completes their own cycle, anytime they cycle. So anytime anyone in your matrix cycles after you've cycled 5 times, you're gonna get a $250 matching bonus. Now, the best part that I love about this program is this right here, the double matching bonus. After you've cycled 10 times, you will receive a 200% matching bonus. That's right, $500. Anytime any personally sponsored member cycles. So anytime anybody you personally bring into the program cycles, you get $500 after you qualify for that bonus. And let me tell you something. If you're helping that person build, and if you're helping your people build, let me just say that, and you're doing the right thing, this program's going to reward you. And that's what I love about it. This program rewards doing the right thing. And that's what I think is really cool. It cuts out the nonsense and the BS, and it keeps it really simple and what it's supposed to be. A money-making program. So, if you're interested, please get a hold of me. This is a very hot program, like I said. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Feel free to call, email, text, instant message, whatever works for you. Get a hold of me, and I'll be happy to work with you too. Alrighty? I'll be back to you guys soon. I hope you all have a wonderful day. God bless, and talk to you all soon.